we live? Mic check. 1 2 1 2. Doubles check. 1 2 1 2. Doubles. Are we live, doubles? Are we live? Are we live? I'm ready. I'm getting ready. I'm gonna do some money stuff right now. Money. Because it makes me wanna dance. We're live. We're live. Are we live on the X? Are we live on the X? We're live. What's up? Yo, what's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house with the indelible one, the one, the only DBL Nick's in the house, a.k.a. That's right, baby, the Rainmaker and the secret weapon, the one, the only, the Serengeti specialist. We like to call her DBL Moms. That's right, folks. It's another episode of Power Play. If you're new to the show, let me break it down to you. This is the show where we get ourselves ready for Power Hour by checking out the market movers of the day and seeing whether or not they're going to go on high heat, simmer, and cook and get ready to cook again in the afternoon. That's the power portion of the show. And the play portion of the show, while they're simmering and getting themselves marinated and perpetrated and ready to move on out for the Power Hour, we go and get a dub for the community by playing some Fortnite. Yes, sir. A dub, a win for the community, the indelible tribe. Yes, sir. So let's get a share party going on. Let's get to the first 100. We'll start reviewing some stocks in a little bit. We'll get some dubs in a little bit. Yeah. If you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, what are you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit it up. Subscribe to us on YouTube at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And we're also on Twitter, aka x.com, at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Financial news available on our X account, as well as Monday through Friday, pre-market, regular hours, and after hours. Everything and anything having to do with microcap and small cap stocks. Technical analysis, news, press releases, filings, etc. All that stuff is discussed on x.com at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And of course, we're on Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And we're on TikTok at DBL Nicks. At DBL NICKS. And the screen name is Coach Nick Money. Ladies and gentlemen, you're also invited to join our Discord community, and in the Discord community, you will gain access to custom-made scanners like the scanner that we're sharing currently with you on the stream. That is from our Discord. That is the Market Movers Top Gainer Scanner, which gives you not just Fugazi information, but the float, the news, the press releases, the filings, and much, much more, all included in that scanner, as well as multiple other scanners that we have on the Discord. So go ahead and take advantage of the 4-day trial. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment. $9.99. You get access to all of the scanners, all of the news features, the educational features, an amazing community, and of course, we're there to back you up too, so that you can achieve your goals and aspirations. We're there to help you. So let's get a share party going on. Let's share it up. Let's get to the first 100. I know it's the day after Christmas. I know it. But we've already had some parabolic runners, some pretty significant parabolic runners like ASPC that ran over 300%. Yes, sir. And PCLA over 100%. DTCK also was kind of parabolic. You know what I'm saying, doubles? It was kind of parabolic, you know? Yeah, so we had a bunch of runners already. So let's get that share party going on. I'm going to go ahead and load up the game and get a dub for the community. What do you think, doubles? What do you think, doubles? Shall we do it? Shall we dance? All right, let's go get a dub for the community. Yummy. I love parabolic runners. I love them. I don't like them. I love them, doubles. You love them? I love them, doubles. Yes, sir. All right, now we're going to go get a dub for the community. We're waiting to log in. What's going on with the servers? Why is it taking so long, doubles? Why? GSIT up 36%. TII mineral stock 38%. Hey, doubles, did you hear that silver is up to $75 an ounce? Wait. I'm going to blow your mind. Gold is $4,500 an ounce. Crazy, cray. The minerals market is out of control, I tell you. Holy moly. Holy moly. $75 an ounce, man. Holy. I remember it was only 30 bucks, like what? Beginning of the year? It went up 150% since the beginning of the year? What's going on? What's up? What's going on? Everybody likes to wear them silver chains, bro. They think it's like Saturday Night Live. No, not Saturday Night Live. What was that show called? Saturday Night Fever? They think they're John Travolta or something. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Oh, but did he have the silver chain or the gold chain? I don't even remember. DBL Moms. What did he wear? Did he wear a chain? He had a gold chain. $4,500 for gold. An ounce. I think it was $2,300 beginning of the year. Cray. Crazy. Let's share it up. What's going on with crypto, man? Bitcoin down, right? Like 87,000 was 126,000. Now it's 87,000. I don't know, man. I don't know. Crypto. Gold. Silver. Dub for the community. Dub. Hey, Doubles. I just want you to know that I'm wearing a skin, right, that blends with the snow biome. You see a little camouflage action there, Doubles. If you don't have any greenery, why wear anything that fits green? Wear something that colors, matches the color of the terrain, the snow, the tundra. The tundra, I tell you. ASPC up 121%. That is if I remember correctly, that is a SPAC, a Special Acquisition Corp, a Spacosaurus Rex. And they usually start at around $10. Right now it's $29. But it was well over $30 earlier in the morning, Doubles. Early in the morning. Hey, holy moly. All right. Let's get that done. We got 55 folks in here. Let's get that share party. We're going to go over some of the stonks for Power Hour. Right, Doubles? We're going to go over them for Power Hour. Right, Doubles? Yeah? Okay. All right. Okay, all right. Anybody here? Any combatants in the vicinity? Wow, look at what I started out with. Doubles, I got a blue AR and a Chuggy Wuggy. The Chuggy Wuggy. Oh my, Doubles, oh my. Holy moly. Somebody's landing nearby. What's going on? I tell you. Don't come to my building, buddy. Don't you do it. And he did. Get out of here, bro. You, what about you, fella? That's it. Wait, there's another one. What's going on here, Doubles? What is going on, Doubles? What is going on? I didn't mean to do that. Where'd he go? He went upstairs. Get out of here, bro. Hold that tiger. Ha-ha. That tiger is a piece of trash. Tiger's a trash. I ripped him to shreds, I tell ya. Ripped them to shreds, Doubles. Ripped them to shreds. Paper tiger, I call him. Paper tiger. Don't let me sick the Serengeti specialist after you. You know lions. Lions are particular. Let's go. Oh my, Doubles. Oh my. I feel very snowy. Doubles, a little bit. Now, there was somebody else nearby. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just thinking. Ooh, a present for me? Wow. 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 Looky here, bruh. Looky here. Looky, doubles. Wow. 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 Shazizzle. Shazizzle. How about a half pot, doubles? How about a half pot, bruh? Can I have a half pot? Can I? Can I? Doubles. Woo-wee. Let's go. We go. We're going, doubles. We're going. Wow. Oh my, doubles. Oh my. Alright. I don't think there's much more for me to do over here. What do you think, doubles? Time for me to go or what? Storm is coming. I want to just get the hangers. I mean, I won the POI, so why not, right, doubles? Man, you know, doubles, I already took out like 3 fellas today, you know? You know what I'm saying?
Not talking about the watch.
No, I'm talking about eliminations. You know what I mean? The elimination. Alright. Ooh, a half pot. That's what I needed. I needed it, I tell you. Ooh, praise it. Oh my. Migration. We already got that. See, I don't care because I got this joint right here, bro. Oh my. Look at that, doubles. We got some weapons here. Is that a purple Pumpkosaurus Rex, bro? Is that what that is, bro? Is that what that is? Let me find out. Doubles. Troubles. Doubles. Oh my. What is that? Anything worthwhile? I don't know. I feel like I should check. Ooh, look at here. We got a little sippy poo. Look at that. Oh, look at that, bruh. Alright. Alright, we're in good shape, doubles. I think we're in good shape, bruh. Alright, let's get a share party. Let's get to 200. And then after that, we'll go into the stonks after that, you know? Which way should I go? I'm thinking it's going to pull north. What do you think, bro? I don't know. We'll know soon enough, though. We will know soon enough, my friend. Is anybody around here? Come on now, fellas. Come on. Where y'all at? Somebody's shooting at the coach, you see? Somebody's being a critter. Where you at? Where you at, fella? Where are you? Not here. Up there, of course. Of course it's a turkey up there, right? It's okay, bro. It's alright. It's alright, bro. It's okay. I'm gonna get you. Don't worry about it. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna get him. Yeah, oh, yeah. There we go. Just when you thought you were safe, right? What are you gonna do? You're gonna keep hiding? Are you gonna keep hiding? What? Where are you, turkey roll? Where are you, fella? There he goes. Oh! He wasn't ready! No. He wasn't ready! What happened, turkey roll? What happened, turkey roll? Ooh, look at the llama. Llama. Look at the llama. Llama, llama, llama. I want me some llama. Give it to me. Give it to me. Ooh. Now, you give it to me now. Doubles. What do you think? Now? How about now? How about now? Ooh, look at this. Bada bingo. Ooh, look at that. A gold one. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my gracious. Oh my gracious, bro. This is ridiculous, bro. Oh my. Look at there's a plane right there. The plane. It's my plane. That's my plane right there, Doubles. Let's get a share party. Let's share it up, Doubles. I sound like I'm constipated, bro. I just realized that, bro. Constipation. Oh my. The constellation. The constipation. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right. I'm just glad that I tuned them up a little bit, right, Doubles? No? Wasn't that good, bro? That was like great. That wasn't just good, it was great, bro. He deserved it. You know, you needed to be tuned up a little bit, you know? Let's get a share party. We're watching DTCK moving up 84%. ECDA, early morning mover, up 64%. Doubles, 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 troubles. Let's go. I feel like I should go back to... I don't know. What do you think, bro? What do you think, bro? Bruh, bruh, bruh. Ooh, an anime right there. Bada bingo! I messed up, Doubles. Ooh, he's shooting at me. He got mad at me, Doubles. He got mad at me. Oh no, the plane is coming after me now, Doubles. Oh man. Oh man, there's somebody right there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, wee. It's alright, bro. It's okay, don't take it personal, bro. Don't take it personal, bro. Little juicy juice Doubles. Little juicy juice Doubles. Little bit, little juicy fruit, baby. 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 Somebody took the rift. God dog it. They took my rift, Doubles. They took my rift, bruh. I don't like it. They took the rift. They took the rift, Doubles. They took it. They took it, Doubles. Don't matter. It don't matter none. Oh, what? You see how it stalls like that, bro? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Alright, let's get that share party. We're almost at 200. Oh, you're right there, fella. I see you. What happened, bro? What happened, bro? What happened, bro? What happened? You rifted, bro? What happened? You were Billy Bad 5 minutes ago. What happened, bro? What happened? You don't want to play with me. DB Moss. He don't want to. I don't like him. He didn't want to play with the coach, DBL Moms.
No one wants to play with me.
Nobody wants to play with the coach no more. What happened? You were Billy Bad 5 minutes ago. What happened? What happened? Doesn't it make you laugh how people could be Billy Bad from a distance, bro? Oh my. Cowards, I tell you. Outright cowards, I tell you. They don't want to play. They don't want to play with the coach. What happened, bro? What happened? Oh, look, I got to do this, bro. I'm actually not in a bad spot, bro. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? You know what I mean? Bada bingo. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. There we go. Why not? Why not? Why not, I tell you? Why not, I tell you? I'm gonna make a nice little one like that. Look at that. Uh-huh. 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 Alright. Where is everybody? Somebody might be over there, maybe. And somebody might be over here, maybe. Uh-huh. I can't tell where they're at, bro. You see him? I do not see nobody. I don't want to poke my head out there, you know? I don't want to poke my head out there, bruh. They got to be in the buildings, bruh. All right, doubles.
They gotta be.
They gots to. I hear gunfire southwest, but I don't see them. Oh, all right, doubles. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gots to go. Ooh. Right there, bro. All right, doubles. All right. At least I know where this fella's at. Where am I gonna go, doubles? He's gotta come out, bro. Yeah, he's right there. Bye-bye, schmucko. Oh, dude. I started drinking the chug too early.
No.
I messed up. All right, I messed up. All right, let's take a look at some of the stonks, doubles. Let's take a look at the stonks. Let's get that share party going on. Let's get to 500. We're at almost 200. Let's get to 500, and let's start talking about some stonks here.
Yes.
Yuppers. The ice came out of the tumbler. Yummy. All right. So PCLA, let's look at this.
PCLA.
Little penny stock joint, 31%, 31 million float, 274 million volume, currently at around 42, 43 cents. It's currently up 86%. It had a nice little run up, and we gave it to the Discord early. Yes, sir. And repetitively letting them know what was happening. But now it's double top doubles, right? And we know that it's power hour. It's like before power hour doubles. We know that, right? Yeah. So because it's before power hour, there's going to be a lack of volume, right? So pullbacks and bearish patterns are not a surprise. So right now, PCLA is pulling back after going well over 100%, pulling back, double tops. It's pulling back. We could see that the RSI is pulling to a neutral area. We could see that the volume candles are dropping on it, okay? But the key issue here is it's trying to hold VWAP. Let's go ahead and get a graffiti pencil activated over there, doubles. What do you think? Shall we? Shall we dance? Shall we prance? At 42 cents is where the VWAP is. And you could see that for the most part, it has been respecting that level and holding above it. So hopefully it'll continue to hold this level and give us another leg. But right now, it is in a bearish double top pattern. Doubles currently up 90%. PCLA. Let's go take a look at the leading gainer, which is ASPC. It is a SPAC. So for those of you that don't know what a SPAC is, it stands for Special Acquisition Company, a Special Acquisition Company. So it's basically a shell that's designed to look for a privately held company that it could basically merge into itself and then change the name. So there's been stocks like different companies like that. I think what's that genetic stock called? 123andMe, or what is that thing called? 23andMe. 23andMe. I think that was one. I think Bumble. Bumble was another one. Well, I think they all went the route of a SPAC. I could be wrong about that, but that's the gist of it. I mean, it's almost like a reverse merger, if you will, but it's not a reverse merger. A reverse merger is different because you have a shell corporation that may have very well been an actual corporation that becomes a shell corporation, and then the private company buys out the shell and basically becomes the company. So that's a little bit different than a SPAC. A SPAC is a blank check corporation that's created specifically for the purpose of finding a company to merge with that's privately held and bring it public. Slight little nuance, right? But it's significant. Most SPACs start out at $10 a share. Okay, $10 a share, right? That's where they start out at. And you can see that this particular stock, ASPC, is currently up. It went as high as almost $56, right? So from the $10 mark right over here, right, more or less right here, right? It went all the way up within days, actually. Within days, it went up to $55.65 or something about, 56 cents, something like that, $56. But now you could see it's crashing downward. It didn't happen on any particular news other than the SPAC, and you could see that the RSI is definitely moving towards oversold. You could see that the volume's dipped. You could see that the price is below the VWAP, but more importantly, the 9 EMA looks like it's about ready to pierce right through the VWAP and continue to crash downwards. So that's not a good look for ASPC. It is still the leading gainer at 111%, but remember, it was up well over 300%. So that's about a 200% drop from its height of the day. Let's take a look at DTCK. DTCK. Let's get a share party. We're at over 200. Let's go to 300 indelibles. You got it in you. Come on. Let's grow this channel. Come on. Let's grow this channel so we can put out more content for you. We appreciate it, and I hope y'all appreciate it. Go ahead and share, like, subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach McMoney. And subscribe to x.com at Coach McMoney. Facebook, Instagram, and Threads. Subscribe to it at Coach McMoney. And also, we got ourselves a Twitch account at Coach McMoney. And also, we got a TikTok at DBL Nicks. DBL Nicks, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money, baby. All right, so we're looking at DTCK. We can see that it had overheated on the RSI, and now it's pulling downward. We could see that it double topped over here. So let's get the graffiti pencil activated to visualize it. Here's one top right here, and El Segundo, the second top, is right here. So it had a double top and it did a Flushosaurus Rex. Yes, that is a term of art. I have patented it. Patented or copyright? I copywrote it. I tell you. Now, it broke that downtrend and started consolidating for the most part with the VWAP, but it was on a downward trajectory, and then it tried to make a play to push upward, right? So it formed right here a cup and handle pattern. It broke out momentarily above the VWAP, but it was a false breakout, and now it's back down again. So the 9 EMA is still below the VWAP, which is a bearish signal. You have several red candles that are diminishing in size, and the RSI is dipping. And then we also look at the time. It's 2:04 in the afternoon. There's still a solid 56 minutes before power hour starts when more volume comes into the market. So this could very well continue to come down, and this very well could also become a irregular triple top, with tops being here, here, and here. We need to see this 9 EMA curl upward and pierce through the VWAP to be schmexy. Because if it's not schmexy doubles, I don't want it. I don't like it. ECDA doubles. ECDA had some news, I'm pretty sure. Can you pull up the news for me, doubles? It's a 6 million float stock, and it had a lot of volume, over 90 million, and it had news. I'm almost sure of it because I remember, I think I traded it earlier. I traded it earlier and made some money early in the morning, pre-market. ECD Auto Design expands 2026 lineup with heritage coupes. So that was the news. Whatever. It don't matter. It don't matter none. But it did a little bit of a round Triposaurus Rex. You see, almost a round trip. So now it's sitting on a pretty nasty head and shoulders. Here's the head. And here's the first shoulder. And then the second shoulder. It's like a big, long shoulder. I mean, it's like a lopsided shoulder. Look at this. It's a crazy shoulder, but it's consolidating and it didn't flush, right? Usually when there's a head and shoulders, there's a flush. Now, here's the thing. The stock is a 6 million float stock, so it's pretty low, and it had 97 million worth of volume, so it had a lot of volume, and it's holding up. We need to see whether or not this 9 EMA breaks down, and we have a Flushosaurus Rex based on the head and shoulders bear pattern, or does it curl, and move towards the VWAP and pierce through the VWAP, and we have a descending wedge bull reversal, right? The descending wedge would be here and here, right? I'm not going to draw it because right now it still looks bearish. RSI is neutral, but it looks like it wants to keep dipping. Volume obviously dropping. Again, we still have 54 minutes before power hour, so there's going to be a drop in volume. We'll keep an eye on this one. It has news. It ran pretty strong earlier in the morning, doubles, earlier in the morning.
Yeesh.
But right now, you know what I'm talking about? That's an meh. Sopa, opa, sopa. Haha. All right, so this particular stonk is currently up almost 50%. And we can look at the scanners from the Discord community. Make sure you click that link and take advantage of the 4-day trial for the Discord community so you can get your scanners as well as news features and much, much more. It's $9.99. The scanner is in the description and in the pinned comment. But as particularly relating to this stock, this is a 6 million float stock. Bless you, doubles. And currently not a lot of volume, 4 million volume, yet it is up 50%. Let's see if SOPA has any news, doubles. SOPA, SOPA. I don't see no news. What happened? 22nd. All right, so someone, right, so price target was lowered to $25 from $45. I mean, the price targets from analysts, that don't mean much. It don't mean much, but anywho, that was like a couple of days ago. No news right now. Moving on up. On very low volume, I tell you. Let's take a look at PAVS. Let's take a look at it. PAVS. Come on, refresh, you little critter, yeah. Come on now. All right, this don't look too healthy to me, doubles. It looks like a double top, bruh. Looks like a double top. It's up 36%, but you got a top over here, and you got another top right over here. So that is kind of a, come on now, drawing line. Come on, graffiti pencil. You need to work. Okay, it's double top, so that's usually a bearish pattern. You can see that the 9 EMA is dipping below the VWAP, so it is in a bearish pattern. It has to break out of this channel right here, this channel downward. It has to break it. RSI is indifferent at this point, smack in the middle. Volume is down, and we still have quite a bit of time, 52 minutes before power hour. So let's get a share party. We're almost at 300. Let's go for 400. TII. Yo, TII. This is a mining company. No doubt we were talking about silver being $75 an ounce, gold being $4,500 an ounce. You got a renaissance of them minerals right there. You know, doubles? The minerals are starting to get expansive. So TII moving up. I don't think it has any news, but we'll check it. Does it have any news? December 23rd. They did an 8K. An 8K came out on that date. There was some feasibility financing. Back on the More American Initiative. So, like, it sounds like a bunch of rumors, you know, potential financing, blah, 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 blah. Anywho, right now, it's below the VWAP. It definitely flushed down, so it's kind of like a descending wedge, but we need to see volume to prove that this descending wedge is actually going to generate a reversal bull pattern, right? So there's your descending wedge. RSI is indifferent, volume's lacking. We'll keep an eye on it, okay? It's a slow mover. It is a slow mover, right? Not moving very much, but it is up currently 38%, and it is a mineral stock for whatever that's worth. GAUZ, let's go take a look at it. GAUZ, drifting on up, moving on up, floating on up. It's a 13 million float stock, moving on very light volume, 2 million, currently up 39%, 36%, and it's got earnings on January 6th, so there's no news Meh, like that, doubles.
Eh.
Let's go back to ASPC. I don't like it. I don't like the way it looks. I don't like it. PCLA. Double top. Bouncing off the VWAP. Well, keep an eye on this one, doubles, you know? Maybe this becomes a cup and handle. You never know. You never know. Let's see what happens. PCLA. Little penny joint. Going to be choppy, going to be a little rambunctious. It's a heavier floated stock at 31 million, but it has 282 million in volume. So again, when you have several times the rotation, it's almost 10 times the rotation of the float doubles. So even though it's 10 times, you know what I mean? So even though it's a 31 million float stock, it has volume of 10 times the float almost, right? And that's not unusual when you have a very inexpensive stock because you can tend to buy way more shares when they're cheaper. It's just logical, right? If the stock is more expensive, there's less shares that any particular person can buy because it's going to cost, you know, more money per share. So that's the story. Let's keep an eye on it. Let's see if this becomes a cup and handleable pattern. Right now, it started out as a double top bear pattern. Let's get rid of this. I'm gonna go with, come on now. It's staying above the VWAP doubles. It's staying above the VWAP. Did it have news? It had news, right? Take a look. Take a look and see if it had news. I don't know. PCLA, PCLA, Any news? No news. No news. Scroll down. Let's see if there's anything going on with it. Nothing? Nothing, honey? What is that? What is that? Now it's a general meeting, key proposal. No news recently. December 12th was the last news. I don't know. Let's make believe. Let's make believe it has potential because maybe it does have potential. Let's see. Let's make believe it's got a descending wedge bull reversal. Could it be doubles? I don't know. Maybe, right? Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. It's got to stay above the VWAP. Any way you slice it, it has to stay above 42 cents. 42 cents is a key level for this particular stonk. Let's go ahead and get into another game. We're at almost 420. Let's go and get 420 for the meme. Share it up, folks. Share it up. ASPC up 103%. TII moving up 39%. And CL moving up 39%. Let's get the dub for the indelible community. Let's go, man. And I'm going to go and get myself some of the nectar of the gods. I'm getting myself a little beverage, doubles. Non-alcoholic. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting my soft drink, fella. My soft drink. I'm going to have some soft drink. But doubles, you know what I noticed?
What you notice?
DBL Mom's totally forgot my coffee.
She forgot your coffee.
She forgot my coffee.
Oh.
You want to go and let her know that I would like to have some coffee and that I would kindly request a coffee and I would be so indebted to her for 25 million years if I could get a good coffee, a good blend. Look at this guy. He's got like Snoopy. Was that Snoopy the dog? What dog is that? Scooby-Doo shoes, and he's a skeleton. What's that skin called? Oakley? I want to hug him. Can I hug you? Come on, fella. I'm going to just dance with him. Why not? Come on now. But on the battlefield, it's a different story because you're my enemy on the battlefield. But while we're in the lobby, I'll dance with you. Why not? Right, doubles? Oh my, PCLA moving. Testing the high of the day. Oh, migration. Oh my. All right. PCLA. Moving on up, 47 cents. That's a significant resistance point. 47 cents between, 47 cents between 47 and 49. It was finding some resistance at that level. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Meanwhile, we'll get a dub for the community. Let's get a share party, baby. Share it up. All right, I see at least 2 enemies, doubles. At least do your partner. You know, doubles. Alright, alright, it's alright. What do you think, Doubles? What do you think?
Yeesh.
What do you say, Doubles? What do you say? What do you see? What do you say, Doubles? What do you see? What do you say, buddy?
Say something.
That's what I'm saying, Doubles. You know, that's what I'm talking about. Doubles. Alright. We're almost ready to go combative. What do you think, bro?
Yeesh.
Let's see if we can see somebody. If we see somebody, we'll say something. Look right there, bro. He doesn't see me.
That way you can't say nothing.
Bada bingo! Oh, that was so sad. Anonymous 2342. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. Yes, I did. Yes, I did, you scoundrel. This is my POI. My POI. What are you doing here, fella? Come on. I mean, that's what you did. You went to my POI, bro. We got somebody here, bro.
What you doing, little bro?
We got somebody over here that wants to play. Come on, go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Go, 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 Doubles, go! Go, Doubles, go! Oh man, there's people everywhere. Holy moly! I'm in trouble, Doubles, I tell you.
Oh, Noah!
I'm in trouble, Doubles. I'm in double trouble. I need some heals, bro. That was no bueno, bro.
Bueno.
Heals, come on. Come on. Come on. Heals, medkit, medkit, shield. Minis, okay, I'll take that. Why not? Why not? Why not, Doubles? Why not? Alright. Alright. Alright, let's get out of here. Medkit. Half pot, okay. Why not? Why not? Let's get that share party. Let's get to 500, 600, ECDA, 63%. Somebody here, Doubles. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. How about some stinkies?
Some stingy.
Stinky, stinky? I want to throw stinky at him. Like right there! Bada bingo, bruh! Bada bingo! How'd I do, Doubles? How'd I do? How do? How do? Doubles, how do? How you doing? How you doing? Let's get a share party, bruh. Let's share it up, share it up. Let's share it up, doubles. Let's share it up. Hello. Managgia miseria. That fella didn't know what came to him. I gave him a little loving. Little tender loving care. He needed some loving, I tell you. He needed it, doubles. He needed it. He was like a little he was a little lonely, you know what I'm talking about? He was lonely, doubles. He was lonely. He was up. There's an enemy here, bro. Man, there's a campfire somewhere around here, bro. I don't know where it's at. Right here. Maybe. Or maybe not. No? A med kit? What do you think? A med kit? Yes? No? Maybe? Coach needs a freaking med kit, bro. I need a med kit, bro. Ooh, a campfire. Alright. We can do that. That works. Right? Come on. There we go. Little stokey. That's what I needed, doubles, you know? I needed a little campfire. Get a little cozy, you know? Get myself a little cozy with the campfire. Uh-huh. The guy, yo, he took my plane, bro. That was kind of cheesy. Yeah, he jacked the plane, bro. And another fella rifted. You see that? That was kind of crummy. That's kind of crummy. That's kind of crummy, doubles. Oh, you see how it... You see that glitch, bro? Like if you turn... Yeah. Did you see that? Ooh, an RPG. Let's see, can we do it? How much is the RPG? Wood. Oh, man. Somebody's coming. Dude! How you doing that to the coach, bruh? Man. That was a rough game, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That game was tough. All right, we're watching PCLA. Trying to break out of that descending wedge. Now, there's going to be another key level that we could draw here. So let's go ahead and get the graffiti pencil activated. Right here, doubles, right where it's at right now. See, this could be either a triple top, 1, 2, 3, or it could be a continuation from the breakout from the descending wedge, bull reversal, right? So we'll keep an eye on this fella. We're going to keep an eye on it, and we're hoping for the best, you know? We're hoping for the best, you know what I'm talking about? But it is going to be hitting a significant resistance point at 47. Between 47 and 49 is a significant resistance area that it must absolutely pierce through. ASPC, let's get a share party. Let's get to 600, then 700, then 800, and 1,000. Let's go for 1,000. Small steps, doubles. Small steps. ASPC. ASPC. This stonk ran 300+%, but it fell off of a rail. Doubles, look. So even though it is currently up 70%, it actually gave back a ton of the run-up that it had. It had a run-up of over 300%, and now it's up only 70%. So I would say it looks pretty disgusting at this point. It was actually halting downward. Look at this. Look at how it halted downward, and the 9 EMA is just like collapsing below the VWAP, just completely collapsing. So it don't look too schmexy at this point. So ASPC, get your act together, all right? Get it out. Get it together. Get it. You need to get your act together. SOPA. Let's go to SOPA. 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 Up 62%. It is a 6 million float stock now with 9 million in volume. And it is moving up in a choppy way, but it's moving up. RSI is very much overbought. The volume candles are obviously much, much larger, so people are paying attention to SOPA. It's extended. We'll keep an eye on it. Let's go ahead and give it a Fibonacci retracement, doubles, so that we got some key levels of support and resistance for this critter. Why not? Why not? The indelibles deserve it. Why not? Why not, doubles? All right, so right now it's holding support at the Fibonacci level 193, 187, 193 price point, okay? Next resistance level would be at around 203, and then you got resistance at around 225. Support is also where the VWAP and the 9 EMA are tightly stacked. That's a good sign, but RSI is overbought, so that is an indication that a reversal is due. So we'll have to see what happens, but 170 is a tight support area for it, and currently it is above the support level of about $1.90. SOPA, 6 million float, moving on 9 million worth of volume. Not a heck of a lot of volume, but the volume does exceed the float, which is good. DTCK, let's take a look at it. DTCK. And this is not looking healthy at all. The 9 EMA is starting to point downward. So it looks like this could potentially be a situation where you have a irregular triple top and the price can continue to fade out. Not looking particularly attractive at all, but the stock is still up 58%. If it can start curling upward and break through the VWAP at 43 cents, that would be a good signal for it. But right now, we're not seeing it. We are going to look at GAUZ. Let's take a look at it. GUAZ. Come on. Come on, GAU. Did I say it right? GAUZ. I always do that. I always get the letters backwards. What's going on? GAUZ. Pop, pop. GAUZ. Pop, pop. GAUZ. By the dawn's early GAUZ. Ha ha ha. See how I did that? All right. So the 9 EMA is extended from the VWAP. You can see that the price action is very choppy. It's trending upward, but quite choppy. It's up 38%. Not particularly schmexy, but check out what happened to ASPC since we last talked about it a few minutes ago. It's just completely failing. Look at this. This is round tripping almost. It's down now. 250% drop from its height, right? It was up 300%. Now it is about 52%. It was up well over 300%. So it gave way more than 250%. This is why, doubles, I don't like staying in these stocks too long. You know what I mean? Yeah, no, like some people are like, yo, I want to swing. So go to the puck. Go to the puck. This is the stock market. You know what I'm talking about, doubles. You want to swing. Go to the puck. Get on a swing. You know what I mean? But when you're playing with the stocks, I mean, you know what I'm talking about. They do round trips. They're like the subway system. They go back and forth. Back and forth. I don't like that. I don't like it, doubles. I don't like it. I don't like it. You know what I mean? TII, mineral stock. TII, mineral. And it looks like it is continuing to break out of this descending wedge bull reversal. Significant resistance will be at $3.52, which is the VWAP. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated to indicate where the VWAP is. It's right over here, doubles, right there. That there is the VWAP, doubles. You see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm saying? TII, mineral stock, mineral. Let's get a share party. Let's get to I don't know.
700.
700, 900,
Oh, yeah.
1,000.
Of course, yes.
Yes, what you said, 1,000.
Those come later. Yeah, sure.
Let's go. All right. We're going to put the oven a little bit higher. All right. We're going to cook these stunks a little bit more because they're a little raw. Right. Let's go to PCLA. 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 Come on now. Load, will ya? Load, I tell ya.
No.
Load, I tell ya. Now see, now look, it failed at that 47-cent mark. You see that? So now it looks like a potential triple top. One here, one here, one here. Let's see if it can hold VWAP. This is going to be critical. It needs to hold VWAP at 42 cents. This is a significant area. You can see that the price action has congregated at 42 cents, either below or above most of the day. So this is going to be a key level that it needs to hold above. If it goes below it, it's going to have significant resistance. So we're hoping that it stays above and it bounces, and we see not a triple top, but a cup and a handle, maybe a cup and handle, or something like that, or a double bottom or a triple bottom, a bull pattern. But right now it's in this channel right here, doubles, and I'm not liking it. RSI is insignificant and volume candles are red. Obviously we still have time. It's still 28 minutes before power hour. So we're hoping this is the leading gainer right now. Right. So we're hoping to get some volume love, doubles. Right. But this stock had no news. No news. Moving on, no news. You know what I mean? So a lot of times these stocks fade away in the end of the day, when there's no news, you know what I mean? No news. But you never know. You don't know. I don't know. You don't know. A lot of volume, bro. A lot of volume. This has almost a 10-time float rotation. 31 million float, 299 million volume. So a heck of a lot of volume, even though the float's on the heavier side. And because the stock is less expensive, the fact that the float's a little bit heavier, not as big of a deal. You know what I mean? Generally speaking. All right, let's get a dub for the community. Let's go and try to get that dub. Make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money, as well as x.com at Coach Nick Money, Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and Twitch at Coach Nick Money, and also on TikTok at DBL Nicks, at DBL NICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And of course, if you'd like to join the Discord community and gain access to the private scanners that we're currently sharing with you on the left side of the screen, we have multiple scanners. We also have the early watch list, which is a crowd favorite. Every day, Monday through Friday at 6:30 p.m., we issue an early watch list for the community so that they have an idea of what has a potential of running. And to give you an idea, we listed last night and the day before, because last night was Christmas, but yesterday and the day before for today, we listed PCLA, which has already gone over 500, over 100%. DTCK, which went parabolic. ECDA, which also went parabolic. How about them apples, doubles? So right off the bat, that's the early watch list. So go ahead and click the link in the description or in the pinned comment and take advantage of the 4-day trial for just $9.99 and check it out with your own eyeballs. I tell you. Yes, sir. Your own eyeballs. Your own eyeballs.
Your own ones.
Yeah, your own ones. The ones that you belong to you and only you.
Your indelible eyeballs.
Your indelibles. Your indelibles. Your indelible eyeballs. Indelibles. Eyeballs. All right. Let's get that share party. We're almost at 800. Come on, share it up. Let's get to 800. Let's do it. We got it. We got it. Come on, team. Come on, squad. Meanwhile, we got the stonks simmering on high heat, getting ready for power hour. Right? 25 minutes before power hour. Doubles, power hour. Power hour. Doubles, doubles, troubles. Double X, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Right. Let's go. 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 We're landing. We're landing. We're gonna land. Ba-na-na-na-na-na. We need PCLA to move up 86%. SOPA 73%. ECDA 63%. No, yeah, 68% actually. 68%. Doubles, 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 troubles.
Sopa.
DTCK 63%. TII 42%. And we're coming in for a landing, doubles. We're landing. We're landing. Landing, landing. Whoop, whoop, landing. Santa para para league. Santa McMoney. Whoop, whoop. Let's go, baby. Alright, we're landing doubles. We're landing doubles. Enemy over there. Enemy over there. Doubles. Enemy over there. Oh, that's like from Planet of the Apes, bro. Yeah. Rotten skunk. He took my loot, bro. That rotten skunk took my loot, bro. Right, doubles? Scoundrel. What's wrong with him? What's wrong with that guy? What was he thinking, bro? Right? What was he thinking, bro? How dare he? How dare he do that to the coach? No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. No. Shield, come on. Or not. It's okay. Somebody's flying, doubles. All right. All right, doubles. Where is this guy? He went up top. I think I gotta get rid of this guy. Yeah, this guy's gonna loiter. You know, doubles. He's gonna loiter, doubles. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 900. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? This guy's making me waste my time, bruh. I don't know, doubles. What do you think? Should I go for it? Should I? Maybe yes. What do you think, doubles? Maybe yes or no? Why not, doubles? Why not? Why not? Why not? Somebody's flying overhead, doubles. You know what? I like this thing better, believe it or not. You know? Better than the sniper, because that's like a one-off type of play, you know? That's what I was looking for. I was looking for that, bro. Let's get a share party. Let's party it. Let's party it up. Let's party it up. Let's party it up. Let's go. Med kit. I think we should take that. I don't know, Double. Should I take the grenade? Yeah, why not? Let's take that explosive. Why not? You better not have taken all my weapon, my things over here, right? All right, let's do this. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's get that share party. We're almost at 1,000. Oh, PCLA trying to do the cup and handle bull pattern. Trying to break 100. No news. I don't see no news, but it's looking schmexy. It's time to be schmexy, Doubles. It's dying. It's dying. It's dying. It really honestly is, Doubles, you know? I mean, if I was talking about it, I'd say, yeah, it's trying to be schmexy, bro. Doubles, troubles. Any enemies here? Enemy. Enemy. No 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 enemy. Come on. Bada binga. There you go. Any creatures? Any enemies? Doubles. I don't see no creatures. Somebody's shooting. Somebody's shooting somewhere. They're in the storm. Poor fellas. They're in the storm. I think I'm going to pass by them again, though. Why not, right? Let's see if I could storm hold them. Where are they at? Where are they at, Doubles? Right there in the middle. I don't. Right there, Doubles. I feel like I should taunt them a little bit, right? Come on, fella. Come on, fella. I don't guess not. I guess not, Doubles, huh? He didn't want to come out to play. He didn't want none. Alright. Whatever. I was there to play with him. He didn't want to play. Not my fault. Not my fault. I'm a friendly fella. I'm the friend in the skies, bruh. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 1,000. Somebody's shooting over here, bro. Where are they? Oh, right there, bro. Look. Woo! Let's get a new plane, bro. That didn't do well for my plane. You know, Doubles, that was not too bueno for my plane, bro. Nah, it wasn't. It really wasn't. It really wasn't good for my plane, Doubles. It really wasn't. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. Alright. Let's get into zone, Doubles, you know? Oh, somebody grabbed that drop. I should have went for the drop, Doubles. You know, I got distracted. I have, like, this attention issue. Ooh, look, what is that?
Ah!
Woo! This one's in better shape. Enemy right there, bro. Uh-oh. There's a silly bird near here, bro. Alright, alright. Too much going on here, bro. Too much going on, doubles. Way too much going on over here, doubles. Somebody's nearby. Way too much going on here, bro. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I think maybe we should take this thing, huh? What do you think, bro? Let's go back over here. This thing's ready to crash, bro. I know. No, I know. Watch this, though, bro. Couldn't be me.
Wouldn't have to happen to me, though.
Bye-bye! 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 Bye! Bye-bye, turkey roll! Bye-bye, turkey roll! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! How do we do, doubles? How do we do? We're gonna get a victory royale for the community? I got to. Ooh, look, an enemy, enemy, enemy! How about a fight, you fella?
How's about a little bit of argy-bargy?
What happened? What happened, doubles? What happened? I don't know either, doubles. I don't know.
You got traps?
I don't know. Nope.
Nope. Okay.
Watch this. Watch this. Oh, no. Ooh, a rift. Bye-bye! 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 Bye, fella! Look at this. Man, it's like... Oh, look at that guy right there, bro. Right there, bro. I know he is, bro. Bro, bro, bro. Alright, I got no heals, bro. Ain't got no heals, doubles. Plenty of ammo, though. Ooh, I needed that, bro. That was no good. Okay, I hear a lot of gunfire, bro. What is going on? What is going on? Alright, let's do this. I gotta go, bro. Launchpad. We don't want that. We don't want none of that, doubles.
No,
Where the heck are they? Where they at? Behind that wall, maybe? There goes one guy.
you use the turret.
Ooh, lasered him, bro. Did you see that?
I saw that laser ring.
Come on, fella. Now, I got an issue, bro. Let's go, baby! Baby! Come on, fella! Come on now! I laugh at you! It's almost power hour, you know I have to give the victory royale to my community! My community! Did it for the indelibles, baby. Let's go, let's take out the stonks now that they've been cooking for a little bit. They're not raw. We don't like our stonks al dente. We like them tenderized, pureed, and gentle like the way I beat that fella, doubles. Doubles. All right. Let me have a little coffee before we get started. Because now we're going to get ready for Power Hour. ASPC did some nasty things, but it looks like it's trying to recover, but still, it did some nasty things. ASPC.
Hey, SPC.
Still below VWAP. This is like a I don't know, very untrustworthy. But we will give it a little Fibonacci retracement. Why not? We could do that, right, doubles? Let's give it a Fibonacci retracement. Why not? Why not? All right, so these are some key levels of support and resistance for it, but not particularly schmexy to me. PCLA, PCLA, da-da, PCLA, da-da. All right, so here's the story. This is looking more and more like a triple top. I don't like that, but it's holding the VWAP, so maybe it'll break out. But again, I don't think there's any recent news on this, and it ran real parabolic on no news. So a lot of times there's late day fades on this like that. Oh my goodness. As I just said it. As I just said that, bro. As I just said that. So no bueno, no bueno, no bueno. No bueno, baby. All right, let's go to Sopa. Sopa's still trending up. Doubles up 88%. Sopa. ECDA had news. But it is just basically flatlining over here. So not particularly shamexy. What is it? DTCK. Da. A triple top. It doesn't look very schmexy to me. TII, mineral stock. Trying to break out. Has significant resistance at VWAP. Becomes more schmexy if it makes it over $3.52. The VWAP level. PAVS. It's trying to break out. It's trying. So let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Let's say maybe it's a descending wedge. Hopefully a bull reversal. Some volume love will help it out. I don't know. We'll see. Not particularly schmexy, but it is up 40%. 40% PAVS. Sopa moving. Sopa. Oh. Sopa continues to move a lot of top tails. We don't like the top tails, doubles, do we? We want some bottom tail, baby. Bottom tail. Let's get a share party going on. Let's share it up, folks. A bottom tail would make it much more schmexy. Right now, it is indecisive with a doji. RSI is overbought. So, back to PCLA. PCLA selling off pretty harshly. No. Triple bottom doubles. Triple top. Bearish pattern. ECDA was a flat line, so we're not going to look at that one. I guess we'll keep an eye on PAVS here. PAVS trying to do a descending wedge, bull reversal. Maybe. Does PAVS have any news, doubles? Does it have news? It's a low floater. It's got 667,000 shares. It is a low floater at 667, so I'm going to keep an eye on that one. It's got 15 million in volume. PAVS. Let's see if PAVS has any news. Let me see. PAVS. Any news on that? They got a delisting notification 2 days ago. So I guess they gotta get themselves in compliance, and I guess maybe that's what's making it go up, because they're now over $1. I'm assuming that it's a minimum bid issue. So let's see what happens with it. Currently above the VWAP, just barely. We'll keep an eye on this fella, PAVS. We'll keep an eye on it. Yeah. All right, folks. Subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. Also, x.com at Coach Nick Money. Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Nick Money. Twitch at Coach Nick Money. And, of course, on TikTok at DBL Nicks. At DBL NICKS. And the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And we'd love to have you come and check out our Discord with our 4-day trial for $9.99. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment. We do a lot of technical analysis. We have tools. We share with you our entry and exit points and our targets with the stocks, as well as for educational purposes, and as well as much more information. So go ahead and click the link in the description or in the pinned comment and let us know that you're coming in to check it out after watching the show. Also, make sure you have your notifications on YouTube at Coach Nick Money, so that you never miss the Microcap Morning Show with the star of the show, my co-host, the one and only DBL Nicks in the house, also known as the Rainmaker, baby, at 8:20 a.m. Monday through Friday. He and the Serengeti specialist, the ABCD Huntress, as we like to call her, DBL Moms. Yes, the two of them are always searching for the next parabolic runner, pre-market into regular hours, starting at 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on YouTube at Coach McMoney. So go ahead and check that out. Indelibles, I want you to achieve all your wishes and goals. Get ready. Next year is a new year. Get ready. All right, I call you indelibles because I want you to leave your mark, and I want your mark to be unerasable, aka indelible. Folks, be inspirational for others, because it's always a lot more fun when you're partying on your yacht with your friends. I'm telling you. All right, and I want you guys to have a fantastic weekend. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you got a lot of laughs and you learned something as well. And have a fantastic weekend. And we'll see you soon. Much love, Coach Nick Money. And the